Hey guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a $1 mouse I got from Wish. Alright, so yeah guys, let's just hope it works because the packaging isn't so good, like I can literally click the mouse. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and open this up, see what we got. Okay, comes in bubble wrap, mouse, no instructions, okay, packaging. Okay, so see the mouse. Oh, okay. This is a $1 mouse, so okay, so ooh, I think it's actually really nice. Yeah, so it's shining. It's not bad. The quality is definitely plastic. Has DPI switch here. Obviously scroll. Oh yeah, it actually clicks. That's kind of satisfying. I mean, I definitely use mouse. Okay, so it does say open here. It is a wireless optic mouse. Okay, so it does come with its USB nicely put in here. It does require batteries, which I don't have, so we're not going to be able to test it. Yeah, really nice mouse though. Really nice mouse. Let's see the USB. Okay, standard USB. It's really standard USB. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, just the USB like that. That's really weird way to do it, but okay. Yes, the $1 mouse from Wish is definitely good. It was for $1 plus free shipping, so I definitely can't complain. I don't know how to close this. Do I close it like that? Oh, okay. That wraps it up for this video.